Hey garden enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best gardening tips and tricks to help your garden flourish. I'm your name, and today we're going to talk about 10 crops you'd be foolish not to plant in June. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's dive in. First up, beans. June is the perfect time to plant beans because they love warm soil and air temperatures. Bush beans and pole beans are great options. They grow quickly and will provide you with a bountiful harvest in just a few weeks. Plus, beans are nitrogen fixers, which means they enrich the soil for future crops. Make sure to plant them in a sunny spot and keep the soil consistently moist. Next on the list, cucumbers. These refreshing veggies thrive in the heat of June. Whether you prefer slicing cucumbers for salads or pickling varieties, now is the time to plant them. They grow fast and love the sun. Plant them in well-drained soil and provide a trellis or support for the vines to climb. Squash is another fantastic crop to plant in June. Both summer and winter varieties do well when planted this month. Zucchini, yellow squash, and even pumpkins will thrive in the warm weather. Give them plenty of space to spread out and watch out for pests like squash bugs and vine borers. Peppers, both sweet and hot, are perfect for June planting. They love warm soil and plenty of sunshine. Peppers are versatile and can be used in so many dishes. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and make sure to give them a stake or cage for support as they grow. Tomatoes are a must plant in June if you haven't already started them. They thrive in warm weather and will give you delicious fruits by late summer. There are so many varieties to choose from: cherry, heirloom, beefsteak, you name it. Ensure they get full sun and water them deeply and regularly. Mulching can help retain soil moisture and keep the roots cool. Basil is an excellent herb to plant in June. It's a warm weather herb that grows quickly and can be used in countless recipes. Plus, it pairs perfectly with tomatoes. Plant basil in a sunny spot and pinch back the flowers to encourage more leaf growth. If you have the space, corn is a fantastic crop to plant in June. Corn loves the heat and will grow tall and strong in the summer sun. Plant corn in blocks rather than rows to ensure good pollination and a better yield. Crop 8, eggplant. Eggplant is another heat-loving crop that should be planted in June. They come in various shapes and colors, and they're great for grilling, roasting, or making delicious dips like baba ganoush. Ensure they get plenty of sunlight and keep the soil evenly moist. Crop 9, okra. Okra is a heat-loving vegetable that's perfect for June planting. It's a staple in many southern dishes and is easy to grow. Plant okra in full sun, harvest the pods when they are young and tender for the best flavor. Crop 10, melons. Last but not least, melons. Whether you love watermelon, cantaloupe, or honeydew, June is the ideal time to plant these sweet treats. Give them plenty of space to sprawl and ensure they get lots of sunlight. Keep the soil moist for juicy, delicious melons. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 crops you'd be foolish not to plant in June. These plants love the warm weather and will reward you with a bountiful harvest. So get out there, get your hands dirty, and happy gardening. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a gardening tip. See you in the next video.